Good morning, everybody. Today we want to discuss a new topic from French Revolution. Before discussing that, we want to just recall the previous classes. Okay, we know one thing. In which situation here is French Revolution started? The beginning of this chapter, we already discussed how here is French Revolution started. Okay, and also one thing, the French society, there is mainly three estates. What are the three estates? Can you say? Yes, first estate, second estate and third estate. Okay, then the first two estates, that is the clergy and nobility, they consider privileged by birth. Then the third section of the society that we consider third estate, there is three category of people included. Mainly classified three category of people. The first category, there is included big businessmen, lawyers, court officials, etc. The second category, there is included some farmers and also there is some persons and artisans. Third category, there is included small persons, land laborers and servants. This type of people included. But we know one thing, there is one speciality. The well-educated people included the third estate. There is some lawyers or officials, that type of people. Okay, that's why they understood everything. What happened there, what is going on there, that type of matters. That's why there is some philosophers can influence these people. Okay, automatically they think about how we can avoid the monarchy system, how here is accepted the democracy or here needs some freedom. That's why they always try to gain this. Then there is one important ruler who is that Louis XVI. You know that very extravagant person. I know he spent a lot of money. Okay, then there is increase the price of bread and increases the taxes. On that occasion, agitation started because their staple diet, bread price increases. They can't tolerate this. Then another important factor, there is the outbreak of the revolution. We consider there is something. What is that? Okay. Outbreak of revolution, that is mainly included. There is three important philosophers: Rousseau, Montesquieu. Not three. Okay, some more persons: Rousseau, Montesquieu. Then another important Abesias. Okay, that type of persons. They influenced the common people. I mean, well-educated people. Okay, the Rousseau's famous work, The Social Contract, that influenced the people. Okay, then another important topic here is France becomes a constitutional monarchy. We know one thing, they separate the powers. There is three organs: legislature, executive and the judiciary. Okay, then there is two types of people: active citizens and the passive citizens. That also we discussed. Then there is some political symbols. Okay, these political symbols denote freedom, equality, fraternity. There is peace. Okay, liberty, fraternity, equality. That is the three things included in these symbols. That also we discussed. Then we discussed France abolishes the monarchy and become a republic. Abolished the monarchy and become a republic. There is included one important thing. They started one political club that is called Jacobins Club. Maximilien Robespierre the founder of the Jacobins Club, but his role very severe and he gave some punishment. That's why we can't tolerate this type of punishment. He used a new method of punishment, guillotine. Okay. Then finally he also want to face the same thing. That means he want to face guillotine. Then that is started directory role. There is 5 members included. That is the council of like council of ministers. There is 5 members included in the directory. But that person also have no cooperation. The decisions not matched. On that occasion, they avoided this system. That means a directory system. Then they accepted another thing. There is a dictatorship. They select one ruler, Napoleon Bonaparte, but finally that also avoided. Okay, till we discussed this. Then we want to continue the another topic, the continuation for this. Before taking this topic, I want to ask something to you. Did you read your textbook? How many times? 3 times. Every day I told you one thing. All questions, especially 1 mark questions. Not only 1 word questions, 1 mark questions that is included from textbook. That is included in textbook. They coming from textbook. Okay. Then also a new model of question. Last year started that assertion and reason. Just to give an extract, we want to find the assertion and reason. So that type of questions coming from our textbook. Regular reading, that will be the solution for maintaining these types of problem. Okay. Then you should read your textbook regularly. Okay. The continuation for the previous topic here is new one. Did women have a revolution? What is our next topic? Did women have a revolution? In last class we discussed what is the role of women. On that time I already told you one thing we want to discuss later. Now we start what is the role of women. Okay. From the very beginning women were active participants in the events which brought about so many important changes in French society. So many important changes in the French society. They hoped that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary government to introduce measures to improve their lives. They hoped, what do you mean by hoped? They expected or prediction that their involvement or their participation, it would pressurize the revolutionary government to introduce measures to improve their lives. They hope their involvement, women's participation, that create clear or the revolutionary government introduced measures to improve their lives. They expect it surely improve their lives. Most women of third state had to work for a living. Most of the people, most of the women from third state, they all engaged work. Okay, that means daily wage workers. Listen, the third state had to work for a living. Okay, the third state women work for a living. They work as seamstresses or laundresses. Seamstresses or laundresses means clothing and fashion services. Okay, that means here is laundry service, washing and ironing, that type of activities they engaged in. Then sold flowers, flower sellers. Then fruits and vegetables at the market. Flower sellers, fruit sellers, vegetable sellers, these type of people included. Then, or were employed as a domestic servants. Somebody engaged in no educated people. Okay, they didn't get education. That is the reason that only daughters of nobles or wealthy members of the third estate could study at a convent, after which their families arranged a marriage for them. Only wealthiest families, children, only studied at which place? At a convent. After that, there is marriage fixed. Then, but these type of people, the illiterate people, what is the reason behind it? They have no opportunity to study. That is the reason. Then, after which their families arranged a marriage for them. Working women had also to care for their families, that is, cook, fetch water, cure for bread, and look after the children. Listen, we know that who are included in working women? The third estate people, the common people. Okay, third estate people, women that engaged in domestic servants, garland makers, fruits and vegetable sellers, they engage laundry workers. Okay, that type of. These people engage or they want to collect water. Okay, fetch water means collect water for cooking. Then working women have also to care for their family. They work and also they want to care their families. Especially there is included children. They want to care their children and also want to cook food, want to collect water. So then their wages were lower than those of men. Then another important matter, compared to men, their wage very low. Is it clear? Okay. In order to discuss and voice their interest, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. In order to discuss and voice their interest, we understood in which situation they are going on. Okay, listen, hard working and also want to maintain their family. They want to care about family, that is children, and also want to engage in other activities. On that occasion, they think about, we want to point out or we want to discuss our own interest. Okay, in order to discuss and voice their interest, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. They started their own political clubs and newspapers. Who started their own political clubs and newspapers? Women started their own political clubs and newspapers. About 60 women's clubs came up in different French society. Okay, about 60 women's clubs then started. Okay, about 60 women's clubs came up in different French cities. The Society of Revolutionary and Republic Women was the most famous of them. Underline that. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous of them. They started women's club. Okay. How many women's club there is started? 60. Which is the most famous? That is the Society of the Revolutionary and Republican Women. One of their main demands was that women enjoy the same political rights as men. They demanded one thing: we want the same political rights as men. Okay, we already discussed earlier. Here is two types of people: active citizen and passive citizen. Women included in which category? Passive citizen. That's why they demanded we need the right to vote. We want equal rights as men. Women were disappointed that the Constitution of 1791 reduced them to passive citizens. Women were disappointed. What is the reason behind it? They are disappointed. What do you mean by disappointed? Nirashara. Okay. The Constitution of 1791 reduced them to passive citizens. They demanded the right to vote, to be elected to the assembly, and and to hold political office. Only then they felt would their interest be represented in new government. Listen, they disappointed that the Constitution of 1791 reduced them to passive citizens. On that occasion, they demanded the right to vote. Who demanded the right to vote? Women demanded the right to vote, to be elected to the assembly and to hold a political office. Then, only then they felt would their interest be represented in the new government. They think about their interest represented only through the new government. In the early years, the revolutionary government did introduce laws that helped improve the lives of women. In the early years, the revolutionary government did introduce, what there is introduced there, the laws that help improve the life of women. That helped improve the life of women. Women's life improved. Is supported. Or here is they introduced new law. What is included in that laws? Helping or they helped the improving women or improve the lives of women. Together with the creation of the state schools, schooling was made compulsory for all girls. The first thing here is they introduced a new law. What is included in that law? Improve the life of women. Listen, that's why here is they started education facility, compulsory education, free and compulsory education. They provided free and compulsory education. I repeat, together with the creation of the state schools, schooling was made compulsory for all girls. We already discussed one thing. Here is which type of people included: this domestic servants, garden makers, fruit sellers, vegetable sellers, that type of people, illiterate people. What is the reason? Because they didn't get education, they have no job training. But they demanded something. Our children also need these facilities. What are the facilities? Education and job training. That's why they demanded these things. Their fathers could no longer force them into marriage against their will. Here, provide free and compulsory education. Then without their permission, that means without children's permission, the fathers can't do this. That means here is they could no longer force them into marriage against their will. Without their permission, the parents couldn't. But here is could no longer force them into marriage. Marriage was made into contract, entered into freely and registered under civil law. That also one to underline. Marriage was made into a contract. It is an agreement entered into freely and registered under civil law. That means there is one record. It included under the civil law. Divorce was made legal. If they want to divorce, that is legally, because there is existing some legal system. Their marriage registered. They want to avoid this relationship or a divorce. That is legally want to gain the approval. Divorce was made legal and could be applied for by both the women and men. Same as here, I am going on the same thing. Both want to apply it. That means men and women want to apply it. For what? For divorce. Women could now train for jobs. Job training. Listen, education available, marriage legally. Then without their permission, they can't do anything. That means the parents can't do anything. Another thing is here is the job training. Provided job training. Women could now train for jobs, could become women started some political clubs. 60 political clubs started. They demanded something. Girls' education, job training, and also struggling for political rights. But when here is reign of terror, on that occasion, that government decided to stop the political clubs and listen, new government issued laws ordering closure of women's club and banning their political activities. Ban means prohibit. Okay, banned the political activities. Many prominent women were arrested and a number of them executed. Many prominent women, many important women were arrested and finally executed. Okay, when arrested, executed means okay, arrested and executed. Women's movement for voting rights and equal wages continued through the next 200 years in many countries of the world. Listen, women's movement for voting, women's movement. Okay, movement means Rasta. Women's movement for voting rights and equal wages continued through the next 200 years in many countries of the world. The fight for the vote was carried out through an international suffrage movement during the late 19th and early 20th century. The fight for the vote was carried out through an international suffrage movement during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Listen, the reign of terror on that time, that government decided to stop women's club and prohibit women's activities, and also arrested some important or prominent women and also executed that person. But here, women's movement for voting rights and equal wages continued through the next 200 years. That means the other people also demanded, we want right to vote and equal wages. That means here is no need to classification among the people or classification between men and women. Okay, there is no need to classification among the people. The fight for the vote was carried out through an international suffrage movement during the late 19th and early 20th century. That time here is continued fighting for what? For right to vote. The example of the political activities of the French women during the revolutionary years was kept alive as an inspiring memory. It was finally in 1946 that women in France won the right to vote. Okay, the example of the political activities of French women during the revolutionary years was kept alive as an inspiring memory. Now also that is alive and inspiring memory. Okay, inspire. What do you mean by inspire? Prachodana. What is that? The women's participation or political activities. Then it was finally in 1946 that women in France had the right to vote. Okay, here is one extract included in your textbook. Source E. The life of a revolutionary woman, Olympe de Gaulle. Okay. Olympe de Gaulle was one of the most important of the political active women in revolutionary France. Here is the most important politically active women. Okay. She protested against the constitution and the declaration of rights of man and citizens, and they excluded women from basic rights that each human being was entitled to. So, in 1791, she wrote a declaration of the rights of women and citizens. Underline that. In 1791, she wrote, what is that? A declaration of the rights of women and citizens. A declaration of the rights of women and citizens, which she addressed to the college. In 1793, Olympiad colleges criticized the Jacobean government for forcibly closing down women's club. Jacobin government forcibly closed the women's club. Okay. She criticized this incident. Which incident? Closing women's club. She was tried by the National Convention, which charged her with treason. Soon after this, she was executed. Soon after this, she was executed. Okay, which charged her with treason. Treason means Rajadroha. Treason. Here, finally, what happened? She was executed. Okay. Then, what are the rights included? Her writings. Look here, source F. Some of the basic rights set forth in Olympiad College's declaration. Women is born free and remain equal to man in rights. Women here is born freely and remains equal to man in rights. Next one, the goal of all political association is the preservation of the natural rights of women and men. All political associations or organizations is the preservation of the natural rights of women and men. These rights are what are included? Natural rights: liberty, property, security, and above all resistance to oppression. What are included? Liberty, property, then security, and above all resistance to oppression. Oppression means അടിച്ചമർത്തുന്നതിനെ resist ചെയ്യുക. Resist ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പ്രതിരോധിക്കുക, തടയുക. The source of all sovereignty resides in the nation, which is nothing but the union of women and men. The source of all sovereignty. What do you mean by sovereignty? Paramadhikara. That resides where? That resides in the nation. That resides in the nation, which is nothing but the union of women and man. The law should be the expression of the general will. All female and male citizens should have a say, either personally or by the representatives in its formulation. It should be the same for all. All female and male citizens are equally entitled to all honors and public employment according to their abilities and without any other distinction than that of their talent. Here all are equal. There is no need to classification among men and women. All are talented. That's why there is no need to classification in case of wage and other political rights. We want to consider here both are human beings. That is the same thing, the same person, the same talented, everything. No woman is an exception. She accused, arrested, and detained in cases determined by law. Women like men obey this rigorous law. Okay. No woman is an exception. Here is no exceptional case. You don't want to avoid. She is accused, arrested, and detained in cases determined by law. Women like men obey this rigorous law. Here, not only in case of rights, at the same time law, that was equal before the law. There is no need to classification. Oh, that person is the female. That's why want to some special consideration for that. That's no need. Here all are equal. Okay, the women have a revolution. That topic is over. Then here is some more questions also included. I just discussed 1 mark questions. Okay, all of you want to listen here. First question: write the names of 2 prominent revolutionary women of France. Can you say? Now we discussed it. Olympiad de Gaulle. Next, Madame Roland. Which law was introduced by by revolutionary government in France to improve the lives of women? Which law was introduced by revolutionary government in France to improve the lives of women? Revolutionary women introduced laws to spread education among women and give them job training. Which law provided education and job training? Schooling was made compulsory for all girls. Schooling that was made compulsory for all girls. Next, why were women disappointed by Constitution of 1791? Women were disappointed that the Constitution of 1791 reduced them to passive citizens. What is the reason? Reduced them to passive citizens. Then, name the most popular political club started by the French women. We already underlined. Okay. Yeah. The most famous women club was the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. Name the famous women's club of France. Famous women's club. Okay, same thing. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women is the famous women's club. Okay. Today we discussed only one topic. Before discussing, we discussed many things from our chapter. I repeat same thing. That means read your textbook 3 times. Okay. And also want to study the important questions. Okay, children. See you later. Thank you.